This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Lenovo tablet is updated and in tablet mode so touch and pen behave predictably. Sign into OneNote with your Microsoft account. This links notebooks to OneDrive and prevents lost notes. Once done, attach or pair your stylus and set palm rejection and pressure sensitivity so handwriting feels natural. Make sure battery and Wi-Fi are stable. These initial steps remove interruptions and let you jump straight into creating a functional notebook. You now create and structure a notebook. Give it a clear name and save it to OneDrive so every device can access it. Next, add sections and pages. Think of sections as folders and pages as sheets. This keeps topics separated. Once done, set up page templates for meeting notes or lecture summaries to save time. Also, apply tags and use ink-to-text conversion for searchable content. That way you can quickly find items later rather than scrolling endlessly. You finish by mastering pen features. Write, draw shapes, use lasso select to move ink, and convert handwriting to typed text for polished notes. Then make sure sync is automatic. If offline, force a manual sync once reconnected to avoid conflicts. Finally, export or share specific pages and use OneDrive version history to restore earlier edits if needed. If syncing fails, sign out and back in or check OneDrive storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.